Hey guys, it's JaaackJack and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have another DIY hair mask for you guys. If you missed my last one, I did a DIY hair mask on how to get rid of dandruff. So if you missed that, I will leave that linked in the cards for you guys to check out. But in today's video, I'm doing another really easy DIY hair mask, but this time for hair growth. You guys know that if you watched my 1 month hair update check-in video of me growing out my shaved head, again, I'll leave that linked in the cards if you guys want to check that out. But in there I mentioned how the first month I really didn't do anything to help my hair grow like any faster. I kind of just let my hair naturally grow in that first month. But in the second month I am trying to do other things to speed up the process of my hair growth. So I've been taking vitamins, I haven't been washing my hair as frequently, and I wanted to also try a DIY hair mask, and these ingredients supposedly help your hair grow faster. So we're gonna go into each ingredient, talk about it, and try out this hair mask, and fingers crossed, hopefully it helps. So if you're interested in seeing this DIY hair mask, then just keep on watching. But of course, before we jump into the video, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and the little bell so that way you are notified of future videos and you officially become part of the Little Flower family. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. So the first ingredient you're going to need is plain yogurt. Probably just like the regular plain yogurt, but the one I have is dairy-free soy yogurt. Hopefully it works the same, I don't really know. But yogurt is a common natural hair care ingredient. It's rich in vitamins and fatty acids that are essential for hair health. Some of the benefits of using yogurt in your hair mask is that it helps to get rid of dandruff, which is awesome if you struggle with dandruff like I do. It also helps to calm frizz, keeping your hair moisturized longer, and you know, moisturized hair, healthy hair equals hair growth, healthy hair growth. Yogurt also helps to improve the health of your scalp, which is awesome because healthy hair, healthy scalp means no clogged follicles or anything like that. It's also said that yogurt helps to balance the pH levels and soothe any aggravation on the scalp as well. The next thing you're gonna need is olive oil. Now, olive oil works wonders for literally everything: your skin, your face, your hair, your nails. Olive oil is super awesome, but specifically for hair growth, here is some of the things that I found that olive oil helps with. So olive oil is great at conditioning your hair and just giving it that smooth, silky look. It also improves the elasticity, which means like the strength of your hair. It's making your hair nice and strong, so there's less breakage. Just like how I am with my skincare, because I have dry skin, I'm obsessed with like all the face oils. It's kind of the same thing. You want to put the oils on your scalp and your hair to really hydrate and nourish your hair to promote that healthy hair growth. The next ingredient you're gonna need is 1 egg. So there's actually a ton of nutrients in a single egg that can help promote hair growth. It says some people apply egg yolks to their scalp as a treatment for hair loss, brittle hair, or just to try to make their hair grow faster, which is exactly what we're going to do today. Because of all the nutrients in the egg, when we apply it, we really want it to get to the scalp where the hair is like growing from, because that promotes like the new hair growing in to grow out really healthy and strong. And ultimately that means less shedding, less breakage, all that kind of stuff, so you're gonna have nice long thick hair. The last ingredient we are going to need is a lemon. We're gonna need some lemon juice. I used lemon in the last DIY hair mask that we did, and it's because lemons are super awesome. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which helps boost the production of collagen, which helps your hair grow faster. And as we've already talked about in the previous video, lemons are just a great exfoliant, so it's going to really clean your scalp and unclog any like junk that's in your hair follicles, so that way it can breathe and it can grow out really nice. And on this long list of benefits that lemon has, it also helps to keep your scalp nice and clean. So as long as we maintain the health of our scalp and hair, our hair should be growing out in no time. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and break the egg and crack it into your bowl and go ahead and start mixing that up with a fork. You can totally use like a little whisk or put this all in a blender if you like want to make it smoother and all that kind of stuff, but I don't mind just using my hand to manually mix this all. Next, you want to take your plain yogurt and you want to add 2 teaspoons of this to the bowl. And once you have that in, just go ahead and mix everything up. After that, we're going to add our olive oil, and for this you're going to need 1 teaspoon. And of course, continue to mix that little mixture we have in our bowl. And finally, for the lemon juice, you want to take 2 tablespoons of this. So I'm just going to cut the lemon and go ahead and squeeze out 2 tablespoons worth and add that right into our mixture. So like I mentioned earlier, you can throw this all into a blender if you want it to be nice and smooth, but I'm just taking my fork to manually whisk this all together. And once it's nice and smooth and you have like no chunks or anything like that, we're gonna go ahead and apply this onto our hair. It is going to drip all over the place, so just keep that in mind. You might want to do this in the bathroom or over the sink. So once you have the hair mask on, you want to leave it on for 30 minutes, and then once it is done and it's like set into your hair, you let it soak into your scalp, all that good stuff. Go ahead and rinse it off, and you can use your normal shampoo and stuff that you use, and your hair should be good to go. And they do recommend using this mask once a week, so I'm actually going to try this out for the remainder of this month and see how it does. So I'll let you guys know in the check-in video that I do for my hair growth. So this mask doesn't smell very good, and I still have some left over. I don't think you could see, I don't want to tilt it all the way down. I tried to put as much as I could in my hair, but there's so much in my hair that I'm starting to drip now. So I'm going to leave this on for 30 minutes and then rinse this out, and I will see you guys back here when I am done. Ta-da! I just got out of the shower and look, my hair is longer. Just kidding. But my hair does feel nice, clean, and healthy. So I'm going to keep using this hair mask maybe once a week, maybe every 3 to 4 days, something like that, just so I can see if this is actually working for my hair growth. So here's how much hair we've got right now. We'll see. We'll continue to use this and see if it really works. If you guys have any hair masks that you guys recommend for hair growth, be sure to let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like DIY hair mask videos like this, and I'll see you guys in my next video.